don't you just hate it when you type your email, it's .con instead of .com, or you mistype your phone number and it goes to the wrong number, and it's so important that you couldn't miss that message. So guys, Richard here. I want to share with you a really quick, awesome tool called Typedesk on your computer that you can install for free, right? That will pretty much is a permanent copy paste solution. So if you have messages or key links or key information like your email address, your home address, your phone number, right? That you enter in often, and you're like me, you don't like using that save function on the browsers because you don't want them to track your data. This is a great tool that I use that gives you a permanent copy paste solution. It's always there on your computer, even after you turn it off here. It'll save you heaps of time. Check it out. All right, guys, so this Typedesk here is super easy to grab on your computer, and it's like basically having multiple copy pastes, right, of key information that you use regularly at your hand all the time, every time here. So you can see here, I've got a few I already have set up in place here. So one of the cool things is the free version gives you 10 templates. I find 10 is usually enough for most people here. And so basically you go ahead and you create a template here, and all you really need to do, usually if there's one already, I just go in and I click edit. You write the message that you want. So this is a message I use to send to my wife, right? When she goes to work, we always say, I love you, right? And so I'm gonna add a new one because now I got an angel here, right? And then basically what I'll do is I'll always add in like the emoji there, right? So that I don't need to type it up later. So I'll add that up later. And then I usually set up the keyword here. So you click on here, you autofill the shortcut that you want. And the way the shortcut works is it's either you type percentage, then the few words, the few letters, or slash, or semicolon, cat, or full stop, right? And that's kind of like how this shortcut works. And you can assign it to different folders if you want. So you can see I got other different folders available here. You can change the type of font it uses and how it shows up, whether it's bold or not. And so we're gonna save that, right? And basically it's saved now, and then you can see these other ones that exist here. And it's just super helpful for when you have to like send people things. Like for example, one of the things I always use it for is when I run Zoom calls and I use my personal room. I don't remember the number, I don't remember anything like that. I don't wait for Zoom to copy and paste it for me. I paste it in very quickly by typing this, as you can see in here, percentage zoom. You probably can't see here, just zoom in there. Yeah, percentage zoom is what I type in. Yeah, and so that's what I kind of do here, and it kind of turns out and looks like this. So let's say we're going to use Notepad here for you guys to see here. So if I do, cat, it'll paste in that chat there, right? If I do percentage zoom, it will drop in my Zoom room here. So feel free to come in and join if you guys want to chat to me there. And so that's kind of like how this works here. It's super easy, super awesome. Here I have other things like my home address or my emails, right? So like I got RPW, which is RP work, right there, and then it just pops it in. So it makes it easy for me to have to, it saves a few seconds, and most of all, it saves me time from getting it wrong, right? That's the bigger cost here, is avoiding getting it wrong when you're not actually typing in your key information correctly. So check it out, guys. Hope that helps.